Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and stay away from Corona, guys. It's been increasing like crazy, man. So yeah, leave aside all that. So today we're going to be making this neumorphism button and this glassmorphism. And glassmorphism is not just glassmorphism; it's with neumorphism, so you can see it's popping out. So let's just make it. So yeah, let's get started. So now let me delete this one also. Let me select frame desktop 1920 1440. Let me just make it 1920 by 1080. Now let me just zoom out a little bit. Give this a background of blue. Uh, blue. Yeah, blue is looking good. This color is perfect. So yeah, for neumorphism, let me just grab rectangle and I'm gonna hold shift and neumorphism is new technique or so yeah, it's done. Now let me go to the effects and drop shadow. I'm gonna need two drop shadows. So yeah, you can see it's forming actually. It's coming to the shape. So let me just grab this one, drop shadow, X 8, 9, 9. Good. Blur 10 will be good. And for this one, I'm just gonna reverse it everything. X was 9, so it's gonna be minus 9. It was 9, it's gonna be minus 9. And I'm gonna change the color to white and blur to 12 will be good. Let me just so yeah, it's done. Let me just change the blur effect here also a little bit. Let me change. So as you move away from as you move the shadow away from the body, it's gonna look more realistic. As you can see, it's looking like it's popping out. Let me not change this one also. So yeah, it's like quite good now. Let me. So yeah, now it's done. It's like popping out. So same. We are next. I'm gonna just select this one. Press hold. And bring this one here. And now let me just round the corner of this one. 25. Yeah, 25. this one, and I'm gonna do it 100%. So as you can see, it's looking quite good. So now let me just make the inner radius. Let me just show you how what is. Let's just copy paste this one. Hmm. Select this one. Make this to inner shadow. Blur. Mm, Blur. I mean, something like it's in the frame actually. अच्छा है भाई, अच्छा टेक्निक है ये. Uh, and this type of neumorphism actually used by a big designer, big YouTuber. His name is MKBHD. So yeah, he also uses this in his introduction. You can see that. Now let me just copy paste this one and make this 25 on all sides. It's good. Again, let me just copy paste and make this 100 pixel. So it's looking quite good. I can do one thing also. Mm, mm, Let me just take this one. Mm, Select this one, inner shadow. Now you will see. Mm, Let me do this one. Let me select this one. Mm, let Now as you can see, it's different from this one. Yeah. So you can do this one also. If I move this one a little bit up. So as you can see, it's like popping out. This one has a shadow, this one has a shadow, and this one is like popping out. So it's quite good, man. Mm, So yeah, that's how we can do this. Let me just make another section. Uh, Let me hold shift and fill. Let me see if I can do with another color. Let me grab a beautiful color. Now I'm gonna just add two drop shadows. Mm, 14, 10, blur. So yeah, you can do with any color actually. But if you match the element with the desktop or the frame, it looks good. As you can see, it's looking like see now 14, 14. It will be having a color of white. So it is also looking good. Now let me select this one and blur. Let me go to the section and spread to. So yeah, it is also looking poppy now. So we can make this type of neomorphism. Now let me just grab another frame. Hmm, this may also be 1920 by 080. Let me change the color. Let me change this one to actually radiant. So now I'm gonna make glass morphism and neomorphism combined. So let me see if it happens or not. So for this one, let me just grab a color. For this one, I'm gonna go with yellow. So yeah, it's looking quite good. Now in the middle, I'm gonna go with a bit of blue. Let me just, no, it's not looking good. Let me just delete this one. Ah, it's good. So for now, I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna hold and make a rectangle with corner radius 30 pixel. 30 pixel is good. Let me give this a radial color. White. Uh, Let me give this radial color of white. And there's this class effect. So now let me just give this a stroke also. White. 2 pixel. Let's see. 2 pixel is good. Mm, Stroke. Let me just change the stroke also. To the white. This one is also be white. the opacities would be 16. So it's looking quite good now. So now let me just give this, let me just make it neumorphic object. Drop shadow. I'm gonna need two drop shadows. Mm, 15% blur. Mm, Let me just blur. Let me just give it a color of white. Let me, um, now let me just give it a color of black. And yeah, it's looking good. It's not looking that good actually. Yeah, it's looking good. It's like, let me change it to 15%. Let me see. It's looking like it's popping out. So yeah, you can make this thing now. I Now what should I do? Let me just explain. So and you can do this type of interaction and upload it on Webflow and your website. I mean, these interactions are going mad like nowadays. This neumorphism, this glassmorphism, this designer, the new trend for like 2021. So you can do this and have the endless opportunity. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video a useful one. So I hope you like the video, and if you have, then please press the like button. And if you're new to this channel, then press the subscribe. And nearby there is a bell button also. So press this one also. So when I upload a video, you will get the notification. And today, for today, that's up to it. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.